Hi there, welcome to Excel 60. Quick Microsoft Excel tips and tricks in 60 seconds or less. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the cell locking function, okay? And just before I start my timer, we're just going to have a situation, just explain what the spreadsheet is all about. Let's say you want to compare quotes, right? And you wanted to buy the following materials, your floor tiles and tile adhesives and grouts and whatnot. And you wanted to buy 100 boxes of tiles, and each box costs $14.20. And what that means is that for 100 boxes is going to be that times that right there, rate times quantity, okay? So I've applied the same formula all the way down, right? And that gives you a total, subtotal of that much. So the problem is, if you got a second supplier, right? I'm just going to copy and say we've got supplier 2, right? Supplier 2, you see, the formula wants to apply, I mean, it won't be able to pull across all the way to that cell. So instead of having to actually manually drag this across and then do it for each and every supplier that comes on, I can use the cell lock function. How do we do that? I'm glad you asked. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on that cell right there, and on my formula, the one that applies to this cell that I want to lock, I'm going to click right there and I'll press shift and 4 so that it gives me the $sign, and then it has locked the cell. I'm going to control C and apply that all the way down, right? So that when I have a second supplier, copy this and paste, it auto multiplies to the correct cell, so much that if I change my rate there, okay, it auto calculates. Voila. And that could be supplier 2, right? If I have a new supplier, supplier 3, for the same products, right? Supplier 3, if he charges $30 for each, you see it auto calculates and I don't have to re-enter my formulas. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. If you would like to learn more Excel tips and tricks, do visit our website, excelskills.com. That's skills with a Z. Do look out for our next video coming soon.